How to download videos from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can download videos from Snapchat. Whether you want to save a video from your Snapchat memories or snap sent by friend or any other content, we will walk you through the process, so let's just get started. First of all, open up the Snapchat app on your device and find the video that you want to download. It could be a snap you have received from a friend or even a video that you've already saved in your memories. So in order to save that, first of all, let's head over to our memories. When you head over to your memories, if you want to download a video, you're just going to long press on that video and you can find this export option, and after the video is selected, and when you swipe to the right, you can find this option called download here. Just tap on download and that video will be downloaded on your gallery. The other method is heading over to a chat from where you want to download from. For example, this one right here. And let's say I want to download this video. So you're just going to select the video from the chat and then tap on the three dot at the top right corner. And you can find this option called save to camera roll. Just tap on it and that particular video will be downloaded and saved on your device. And that is it. That is how you download your videos and save videos from someone else from Snapchat. So that is how you do it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and then leave any questions you might have in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.